sound straight from the box.
Thank you for meeting.
When I plug in the HDMI from the box directly into HDMI 1, I get no sound on this TV. Mute, left, right, up, down, OK. When I go down to settings, or advanced TV settings, picture mode, sound, TV speakers, that's on. Bluetooth speakers, that's 60, but TV speakers I have on. Bathroom speakers, I've switched that off. Now, I'll show you in a second, it does work when I go through bathroom speakers. Placement TV on stand, advanced, they're just auto volume off. I have factory set it and tried it. There's the volume. No volume. I've tried this on DVB-T and YouTube and stuff. Once I go down to, switch on settings, I don't know if that makes a difference, but switch on, there's sound settings in there. Volume, speakers, switch on 30. Sound style, original. Down to TV settings again. I will go to sound, sound management. I will put bathroom speakers on. And once I go to the volume and go to the headphones, plug in the headphone here. Don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it, but the sound is okay working from the headphones, but not from the TV.